Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Gigabyte RX 6800 Aorus Master here. Big shout out to MBX System Integrators Pte Limited for supplying the sample card along with some of the test hardware that I have on hand. With that, let's get right into it. The card comes with 16 gigs of GDDR6 to really enable the 4K gaming experience. This card uses two 8-pin power sources so that there is no need for a higher-end power supply with additional power rails. The card supports 2 display ports and 2 HDMI ports. This card uses what Gigabyte call max covered cooling. The heatsink used is very well built and works well with the 3-fan configuration. The card also has a metal backplate that doubles up as a heatsink. The card also comes with an LCD display, which can be very useful to monitor system stats such as GPU temperature, clock speed, usage, fan speed, etc. These settings can be extensively customized to the individual's taste. The screen is tightly integrated into Gigabyte's RGB Fusion software, making it very easy to control. The card dimensions are 324 by 140 by 60 mm. So anyone looking to load this card into a small form factor case, please do check for compatibility. Thank you for watching this unboxing of this graphics card. Please do remember to like and subscribe so that you will be alerted for any future content. And if there is anything that you would like to see in particular, do drop a message in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.